Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with golden topaz, the stone of inspiration. And for those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. And for those who are brand new to this channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. These guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to the areas that it supports in life, and deciding if that's a gemstone that you would like to work with some more. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of golden topaz, then I will link that up in the eye above. You may want to pause this video and watch that one to get a feel for the supportive benefits that golden topaz can provide. And it's especially beneficial to those born in the month of November. It's a November birthstone. So also, if you've been watching my videos and you're enjoying them and you haven't yet subscribed, then please do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. If you do have a piece of golden topaz, and it doesn't have to be tumbled form like this. It could be in a piece of jewelry, a necklace, bracelet, ring that you can hold during the meditation. But also the gemstone is optional at first. You can still sit through the guided meditation, listen to the areas of life that it can help with. And if something really feels familiar to you, really speaks to you or triggers you, then that's a sign that you should get some golden topaz and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need before you start this guided meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion, on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside. Just as long as you could stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes while we go through this guided meditation. So if you have your gemstone or you're ready to picture a golden gemstone in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness to how it feels to breathe right now. How does it feel in your body to inhale and exhale? And then notice if there are any physical sensations that are coming up in your body right now. How does your body feel? Any tensions, aches, numbness, tingling? And check in with your heart space and notice what emotions might be with you right now. And what is the state of your mind? Is it calm or busy? And we're not trying to fix anything or make it a certain way. We're just checking in with how you're feeling right now. And then bringing your awareness to those places on your body that are touching the cushion or the ground beneath you. And remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, directly over its center. It is supporting you perfectly and evenly, and you have access to all of the restorative energy of the earth. And it will guide and protect you during this meditation today. If you have a piece of the golden topaz, then place that in your non-dominant hand right now. This is your receiving hand and will receive the benefits of the golden topaz during the meditation today. And if you don't have a piece of topaz, then picture a golden yellow gemstone in your mind. And as you're holding the stone, take note of its weight in your hand and how it feels, and run your fingers over it. Are there parts that are rough, smooth? Take a minute and get to know your piece of topaz. And notice if anything feels different in your heart and mind and body since you've picked up the golden topaz. And then imagine that the sun is shining down on you, just warming you and filling you with positive light. It's uplifting and cleansing. And sit with this image of golden topaz energy for a minute. Golden topaz is the stone of inspiration. So as you sit and hold or imagine the gemstone today, consider the following questions and how they may relate to your life right now. Are you feeling uninspired or unmotivated recently? Have you been disappointed or discouraged and you want to be able to move past it? Are you hoping to discover your spiritual purpose in this life? Do you want to find out what your talents and your personal strengths are? Do you feel you're afraid to move forward and take a chance at a new opportunity? Golden topaz is extremely supportive of all of these life situations. And if one of them stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you, to your mind and heart and body, and we'll sit with it for another minute or two while you hold the topaz. And notice if anything feels different about that situation as you hold the topaz. Notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, and your mind since you started this meditation. And then release the image of the golden topaz energy and the situation that you were sitting with, and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for sitting with me in meditation today. And I hope that you found this useful. And if you do feel like golden topaz is a stone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the supportive energy of this gemstone. And that is the essence of incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life, knowing which situations that you want help with, knowing which gemstones will help you, and using them when you need them, sitting in meditation with them. For those of you who are new to the channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. On Wednesdays, I post an informational video about the gemstone, and on Fridays, I post a guided meditation specifically designed for that gemstone. So if you're really interested in learning about a wide variety of crystal benefits and how they can help you in your everyday life situations, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single one. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.